What are we doing, Kaylin?
We're making my derby car. We're Cub Scouts.
Alright, so as
This
she
is
said,
where we're gonna cut.
we're gonna make a derby car. This is our 3rd year. This is the one from last year. It did pretty good. We made it to the 3rd heat, so it wasn't bad.
We had to
but
put all this on it because we cut so much off.
yeah, we cut the front out more this time. We're gonna cut the front out a little more than this
But
one.
I made it like my dad's fan.
So
well, stepdad, Nathan.
so it's gonna be similar this year in a way, but a little bit different.
Like I'm gonna try and make a race car.
Yeah, we also noticed that from last year what we done wrong. We should have put all that weight in the back at your rear tires, because that's how you get all your speed in these derby cars, is from the weight in the back. And so I'm hoping we'll do a little better this year.
Yeah.
We'll find
Instead
out.
of putting it in the middle and only open.
We'll put everything more towards the back this time.
Like farther back.
You ready, Kaylin?
Yeah.
All right, can you push it in there? Take both your hands, put them in this handle back here.
Both of them? Right here?
Yep. And then, there you go. I'm going to show you the concept of it, okay?
Okay.
Now watch. Take your hand, let go. Let go. Okay, make sure you put pressure down so you can start sawing it like this, okay?
Okay.
But you got to kind of push it down so to saw, okay?
Okay.
Make sure you're pushing it down on the wood to cut it. There you go.
It's hard.
I know you ain't never done it before, so it's a little hard.
Like that?
Yeah, we'll have the tool out in a second. We're just going to give the tool, do some of the work for the tool. There you go. That should be about good right there.
Okay.
Now we're going to cut some more slits. Go ahead. About
Are
right
you
there.
recording?
Yeah. It's going. You're getting the hang of it. Just got to make some slits. There you go. We'll get the Dremel out in a second. Alright. We'll get it sawed down. Almost there. We'll take the Dremel and we'll cut all these slits and start popping all those out of there, okay?
Feels like I could just and it just fall off, but I know I can't.
Alright.
Like-
You just think you can pop them right off there, huh?
Yeah, pop them right off and then eat them.
This is the Dremel.
Oh.
Remember using this last time? The
No.
other 2
Oh,
times?
yeah.
This is our
Kinda.
This is our 3rd time doing this, Kaylin.
Yeah.
Our 3rd year. It just turned down. Alright, where's my little saw at? Here it is. That's weird. Get us some safety glasses. Pause that.
Got me, honey?
Doing derby car, huh?
Yeah. Where are my safety
Yeah,
glasses?
we're starting on this one. I'm gonna let you use the ones I got on.
Okay.
Bust that end off. This is our derby car from last year.
Yeah.
Pinewood Derby. The little kit they give you. So that's what we're working on, ain't it, Kaylin? We're gonna make a fast one this year.
Yeah.
Yeah. We got
What
a
are these
win,
for?
huh?
What are
We gotta win. We probably ain't gonna win, but at least getting the winner's bracket be nice, huh?
What are these for?
Well, you can put numbers on it.
Oh, I want to put 81 on
Okay.
here.
Well, this is our van from last year. She wanted to make one of my van, just like my van, but...
Yeah, but I colored it different. Same shape and all, but different colors.
Right. Well, look for the new video coming up. Okay, he's working on the shape of the front. This is going to be a pretty basic derby car. We're looking for speed, and you get speed by weight with these things. So like I said, we're going to put our weight on the end. We're just going to cut some of the front off and throw some wheels on her. And hopefully this thing's fast, because we're looking to win. Ain't that right, Kaylin?
I can barely even hear you.
That's pretty loud, ain't it?
Yeah.
I was letting her do this with the Dremel right now. Kind of messing around.
Is that enough? Look at all that smoke.
That's a lot of smoke, ain't it?
Yeah. It's like what kind of smoke comes out of the when you smoke. Hey, that kind of looks like the waffle.
Looks like a waffle?
Yeah.
Alright, pause it.
We're using this method, I guess, this year. Can we do
I'm
this
try to
next
do
year?
the Dremel usually. I don't really get out all my big heavy tools in here because it would only take 2 seconds to really cut the front off. And we kind of want to enjoy it for a moment because we really don't do a whole lot of decoration with it. Like I said, we try to win. So right now we're doing a goofy kind of way to slicing it up with the Dremel, and I lost my bit. So I told her just to start popping it off with the screwdriver. All right, easy there, so you don't tear that front end too much.
We're gonna do that anyway.
Yeah, I know, but you don't want to lose all this tip right here. It's gonna be like our bumper.
Yeah, that's what I mean. I'm gonna leave basically most of it, but not all.
All right, look, take it like this, and stick
I know,
it
but
down.
like
Look how easy it
that
comes
part's.
out. Watch out! Don't put your finger there. See how easy that pops out of there?
But that little piece won't come out.
Here, put your glasses on. So you don't get nothing in
Look
your
at
eye.
these tiny little squares.
And tiny, ain't they?
Yep.
All right.
Yep, I already
Look how
started.
crazy it looks.
Wait, that could actually be a little idea.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah, like a little steerish kind of vibe.
You like how it looks?
Yeah,
We'll
kind
have
of.
to sand this down a little. Watch out, don't put your fingers there.
Sorry.
Oh, I just don't want you to get hurt, sweetie. Just make your fingers. It feels so
Please?
good.
I already have a very bad bruise.
I don't feel too good.
Look at that.
We're gonna have to,
It's gonna fall off soon.
clean this up a little bit.
Yep. We're definitely gonna have to clean it up.
Yeah, let me see if I can get a fresh wheel on that. We're getting bad. It's getting there. It's getting there.
Grab the wheel.
No, we're gonna put these wheels. We need a cutting wheel, baby. We
Whee.
can cut it some more.
What if I just entered with this? But with all the wheels on, like this?
Be crazy.
Yeah, but like, of course, paint it and stuff. I kept on recording. Do you want me to stop yet?
Yeah, you can stop it for a second.
But can I keep going?
No, we just pause it. Thank you, Aunt. Snap the wheel again. I went too deep and it caught it. All right.
That's the piece of a wheel.
And it broke off, didn't it?
Yeah. Oh, it's hot.
It's hot. Yeah, don't touch that, baby.
Oh, it took a second for it to get hot.
Let me
Took a second for it to really get hot.
change that other one out. We got a good thing we got a bunch of them, huh?
Yeah.
Did it scare you?
Yeah, I was like, whoa. Because at any moment it could just come to you.
Yeah.
That's the piece. That's the piece that could have fell and broke and hit me in the eye and blinded my eye.
We're gonna. These things break so easy, so you gotta kind of go easy with them.
That's really fast.
Keep
That almost hit me.
Them things ain't worth a crap.
That almost
I
hit
don't know why
me.
they keep breaking. They must. Well, they're pretty old. All right, go ahead and
Yeah, but
kill
that
for a
almost hit
second,
me.
too. You want to use it? Just whittling all these chips off is what you're doing. You're going to get a whittling badge pretty soon. So here, you can practice some whittling with the electric. Yeah, let me turn it down for you.
Can I have my glasses?
Oh, yeah, you got to have these on. All right, okay.
How do I do it?
All right, look. Just take it because you're getting all these chips loose and kind of so we can work on sanding it down. So we're just getting all them loose little weird chips off of there. That's what we're doing, okay? So just run it like that. Just help them break loose some of the chips and get it a little smoother before we start sanding the front of it with our little sanding wheel. Flying over at you. Alright, we're gonna start sanding. And you put it on high blast. You wanna do this? want me to do it? Okay. This one gets messier, don't it? Sometimes it does. Step back if you need to. You don't want to blow on you as bad, okay? We'll do some other. Alright, so Kaylin done some decorating with the Sharpie. And now she's gonna paint around it and get her some paint out. That'll be probably tomorrow.
Yeah.
Cause it's getting close to bedtime, ain't it?
Yep.
But she done went ahead and made her little design things. Is 0 gonna be your number?
No, it's gonna, one of these numbers gonna
Oh, you're just gonna put it inside the hole?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. And that's the name, Mad Max. It goes with our crazy looking little derby car. It's a little slightly different than the one from last year. The reason why we made it similar, because this one done pretty well. It made it to the 3rd heat. It was pretty fast, but I didn't do good enough with the weight distribution and also the axles. They were bent in and catching over here, so I'm gonna do a little better with these. Maybe put some grease or something in them things so they kind of like help the wheel stay turning good and moving decent. But I guess we'll figure out as we go along with it, huh, Kaylin?
Did you just break it or something?
No, it popped loose. Okay. Alright, we're going to do some upgrades on this thing before Kaylin paints it. She's sanding the front down a little so it's a little softer and nicer looking before she puts the paint on. And then we're going to get these weights on here. But first, we also got a little piece Kaylin wants to cut off the back. She said it's afraid it's going to slow it down, huh?
Mm-hmm.
So, we're going to take that little piece off the back.
You can never be too.
And then we're going to put some weight on the back. That's right. That's right. That's right. Okay, got us all sanded down. Looking a lot better. So, Mad Max here. Going to get some weights put on here. Hopefully we don't get too heavy, but we shall see in a moment. No, it won't. Here. Hold it. Alright, we're going to trim this off because MK thinks it's going to go faster. First, I got to take this weight back off because I almost forgot that we were doing this. Almost forgot a key part, didn't I?
Yep.
Key part of the whole entire build. Can't mess that up, can we?
Nope.
Come on. Master Builder Kaylin. Ain't that right? This is your 3rd time building. You're a master builder now, ain't you?
Is this nailed to the desk?
Yeah, baby.
Oh.
I do not recommend holding this like this at home.
Huh?
Said I don't recommend holding it in your hand and doing what I'm doing. It is not safe. But I had to start it. So now I will clamp her down.
And also, this is the line, not that line.
I know, baby. It's a little hard with this thing to get it perfect. Sometimes. I'm not a master with them. Alright.
It's so fast that it's blowing air.
Alright.
Do I stop video?
Yeah. Kaylin's getting ready to start chipping off where I ground out the stuff to cut it out. So go ahead and do that, Kay. Oh, look at that. Popped right out, didn't it? There you go. Trim it right off of there. Good job. I don't think that turned out too bad. For
could, like,
hacksaw.
Do it kind of again and like get it like.
We'll trim it up a little and then you can sand it down with your sandpaper, okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Alright, watch out so I can see what we got to do now. So Kay's going to sand this little crease that we have back here now. And get it smoothed out. That's the new one. We cut this back out a little bit.
This is the old one
here.
from last year.
Yeah, so a little bit different.
Yeah, especially in the front.
Yeah.
And basically the back, because that's trimmed off and this is not.
A little bit different, huh? Now let's get the weights on it and then we'll send you upstairs to paint it, okay?
Okay.
Alright, let's see where we're at right now. We're at 3.6. We can only get up to 5, okay? So, let's see where we're at when we put this weight on there. 4.1. No, with the nickel. 4.3. Okay, that means we can add another. So we got another nickel. Let's see where that puts us.
It'll focus, y'all can see it.
Alright.
4.5.
Oh my goodness.
It's gonna need more.
Let's try 2/4. I don't know. Or would it be take them off?
4.5. Okay. 4.7. 4.9.
We're right on it right there with those, Kay.
So is that basically 5?
Yep.
Oh.
So I'll say that's what we're going to end up going with, okay?
Okay. This is how much.
Alright, you're getting
And
too
a couple
close.
in the
It's getting
back.
blurry. Bring it back. See? So they can see it. Alright, time out. Alright, right there. We're at 4.9. And 5 is the max. So that's where we're at. I think we'll be good with that. So with everything finished now, I almost forgot to put the wheels and axles on, which adds some weight. We're pushing the limit. We're right at 5 ounces exactly. So hopefully their scale is the same as my scale, and it ain't much different when we get to competition. But if it is, we'll just pop one of the coins off. It's no problem. So Kay and her mama got the derby car painted up. It looks pretty sharp, if I might say. Not too shabby from where we was at. Got the weights on it. I hope it's nice and fast and we do well. Pretty cool.
Hey, do you want to be a Good Scout?
Everybody liking the cheese cars. 1, 2, I think there's like 3 of them over there. There's some neat designs.
last year's favorite. So, are you gonna help judge with Cub Scouts? So these are the Cub Scouts. Are you ready down at the finish line? Ready? Place your bets. Bets are closed. And go.
Oh, that cheese. Oh, no, I think the unicorn one, huh? You like that one, don't you?
Yeah. I really like that one.
You know whose that one is?
No. It was the unicorn
I
one.
guess we're going to be in the next heat. Okay. Here's the moment of truth. I don't know.
Are you ready?
Come on.
And
The cheese got us.
fast cheese.
It was close though. I don't know. You think unicorn's gonna get the cheese?
I think unicorn.
Unicorn.
You were wrong. Did you say cheese?
No, I said unicorn probably.
I said unicorn.
The unicorn got it, I think.
Unicorns could still win. Unicorn.
Oh, they switched sides. Oh, that was a close one again. Let's see if we can get it this time. That car's got a lot of weights on it, so I guess we'll see. Come on. There we go. That was an easy one for us, Kaylin.
Yeah.
Quit jumping. There, we got a win, Kay. That's the cheese and the unicorn. Oh, that unicorn's fast. That unicorn's fast. Alright, Kaylin. We gotta beat the unicorn.
We might not win.
That unicorn's fast.
All we gotta do is beat that unicorn.
That unicorn's fast. Oh! Close. It was so close.
Good.
A little hay bale there. There's a tractor and a Batmobile.
I like the guitar and the halo and the American one.
Alright, in third place we have Kaylin.
Oh, looky there. Third place. Go. Look what you got there. Let's see it. Awesome.
I love it.
What'd you get there, Kay? Let's see that one.
Most creative goes to Crosby.
She got another one for paint. This was for her paint job.
Best paint job?
You got most patriotic paint job.
This goes to Pearl.
Oh man.
The black one.
Oh, that's the little spaceship got it.
The airplane.
This is for the winner. It's the General Lee, and I believe that's like a Star Wars spaceship or something, but that's the General Lee over there. Oh, that was close.
Second and Clayton. Yep. First, second, and Clayton. All right. And then we'll run first place, Cub and Troop. So we'll do that. Be like the drag wave first. Ready, go.
spaceship got it again. They raced the winner of each class on that one. They're racing the 3 cheeses.
Cheddar, Swiss, and Munster. Go cheese!
Oh, look like cheddar won. Give me the cheddar. Battle of the blocks.
Here's for aerodynamics.
Well, I hope y'all enjoyed the clips from the Pinewood Derby. Kay really worked hard on her car. She done great this year, coming 3rd place, and also won the most patriotic paint job. So that's pretty awesome. I'm glad she won that. Each year I let her do most of the work on her car that she's able to do, and then me and her mom would touch up the rest. So we like for her to be able to learn and do most of it herself. So hit the like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.